OpenAI has recently launched GPT 4.1 model, which is an amazing coding model. But the issue is this model is only available in the API. So in this video, I'll be showing you a few ways how you can use this model for free. So let's get started. So the first way is by using Windsurf AI code editor. As you can see, they have just made an official announcement on April 14th that GPT 4.1 will be free in it, and they have a rate limit also. So just download the Windsurf code editor, and as you can see here, they are having GPT 4.1 free for a limited time. So if you want to try it out, you can just download and install Windsurf and just try it out. If you want to follow that, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. I've done an entire tutorial how to download and install Windsurf. So also Cursor AI editor is launching GPT 4.1 for all the users, and they are launching it free now. But even after like updating it to the latest version and checking out over here, I'm not able to still find it. So if you can find it, you can just let me know in the comments. And next one is going to be in Visual Studio Code, and for this you must have the GitHub Copilot extension added to it. So if I go to my Visual Studio Code, and as you can see, I'm having the GitHub Copilot, and the model GPT 4.1 preview is available. So by this way also you can use it for free. So these are some of the ways that I found, guys. Hope you found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.